Hello my dear students, I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to discuss long answer questions of chapter 8, that is clothes. In the previous video we had discussed short answer questions, and today we are going to proceed with the long answer questions. I hope you all are very ready for that. First question is asking about the natural fibers. The question is, write a short note on natural fibers. Before starting this, I would like to say that this is long answer question, and whenever the question will come in the examination, it will carry 4 marks. So you have to write your answers according to that. Okay, so it must be 3 to 4 lines if you are writing in a paragraph, or if you are writing in a point wise, so at least it should have 4 points. I hope you can understand. So let's read this answer. First of all, natural fibers are obtained from nature. It can be either obtained from plants or animals. These are comfortable and environment friendly. For example, we obtain wool and silk from the animals. Okay, you are knowing that goat, sheep and camel are the animal from which we can obtain the wool, and silkworm is the insect. Okay, actually not insect, it is a larva, okay, from which we can obtain this silk. And the plant fibers like cotton, jute, linen, hemp, these are the examples. Okay, this question is basically asking about the categorization of the natural fibers, which you can see on the picture. Okay, natural fibers, again I'm explaining, it can be obtained from the animals like sheep, you can see in the picture, and it can obtain from the plants also, as you can see in the picture, like cotton. Okay, next is, okay, this is more clear. As you can see, this is the cotton plant. Okay, these are sheep which is giving us wool, and this is silkworm, the beautiful silkworm, which is giving us the thread of the silk. Okay, so this is how our natural fiber is categorized into. Let's proceed towards the next question. Our next question is asking, write a short note on the synthetic fiber. Just the same question on the basis of the first question only. Okay, this is only asking about the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made. Okay, you all are knowing nowadays we are using nylon, we are using acrylic and polyester also. These all are human made. These are synthesized or made in the laboratory using the different type of chemicals. Okay, and these are known as synthetic fibers. So let's read this answer. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers and do not occur in nature. Obviously it is not obtained from the nature. Okay, it is synthesized in the laboratory by the human being. These are wrinkle free and not comfortable because they do not absorb sweat from our body. Yes, these clothes are not comfortable as the cotton is the most cotton and the linen clothes are the very comfortable. Actually natural fibers are comfortable because they are having the capacity to absorb the sweat. Okay, and it also allowed to enter the air, fresh air, so that we can feel more comfortable. But these properties do not occur in the synthetic fibers. Okay, but yes, these all are also helpful for us, but in the different ways. Okay, let's see the pictures related to this. As you can see here, you can see in the picture, types of the synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic, and these all are made by the human beings. Our next question, that is the last question, is how can we take care of our clothes? That means this question is asking what step we should take to take care of our clothes. Obviously if we love our clothes, then we have to take care of that, right? So what are the steps? First of all, before reading these answers, I would like to say there are many points which is given in the book, and you can also add your own points. Here I have written 4 points from my side. You can add any points which you think which is required to keep your clothes durable and nice for a long period of time. It's not necessary that you will write the same answers. Okay, let's read the answer. First is, clothes should be washed properly with a good detergent. Okay, detergent is very important to keep our clothes nice and stain free for a long period of time. So it is very important, whatever soap, whatever detergent we are using, that must be of the good quality. Second, we should keep naphthalene balls in between of clothes while storing. You all are knowing that some of the clothes, like woolen clothes, we use once in a year. Okay, that is winter season, and whenever the winter season get over, we used to store them. So when we used to store, we keep naphthalene balls, because naphthalene balls don't allow the insect or the germs to reproduce or to produce there. Okay, it keeps our clothes germ free. Okay, that's why we have to use naphthalene balls in between of the clothes while we are storing them in our cupboard. Third is, we should mend torn clothes. Sometimes our clothes are torn, our buttons can come out from that, and we used to mend that. Okay, suppose small hole is there and completely our dress are nice, but only the small hole is present over there, then what we used to do, we used to mend that. Okay, by sieving or by putting anything, or by making any craft over there, we can hide that. Okay. Point number 4 is, we should use antiseptic solution to disinfect our clothes. Sometimes what happen, we are not well. Okay, sometimes we can have the fever, we can have the cold, or the different type of diseases, and all the time the germs can be present on our clothes. So what we have to do to remove that, we have to use antiseptic solution like Dettol. When we are washing our clothes, that time we should put a little bit of antiseptic lotion in that. Okay, and we have to soak our clothes for 2 to 3 minutes in them. Okay, so that our clothes should be disinfectant. The very natural way to make our clothes germ free is spreading in the sunshine. Okay, sometime in the rainy season we are not able to do that, but whenever we get sunshine, we have to spread our clothes in the sun. Okay, so that whatever germs are present, and the fall smell is also present sometime in our clothes, that also remove with the help of the sunlight. Okay, next, after all, we have to look smart, right? So ironing is the best way to make your clothes more smarter. Okay, so whenever we are washing our clothes, after that we have to iron them. Okay, so that it will give a beautiful shine to our clothes, and it help us to look smart also. The last I would like to show is the naphthalene ball. As you can see, we are keeping the naphthalene balls in between of the clothes. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope this video will help you to complete your long answer question. Thank you so much for watching.